We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 367, part 1. Tri-bridage versus GREN MAJU. Oh, okay, I'll go first. I screwed up game 1. Okay. Oh. Dimension shifter. I thought things weren't gonna be banished, but it was the opposite. Everything gets banished till the end of the next turn. Mirage. I thought Nerval was gonna go to the graveyard, but he got banished. Set the strike and the imperm and phasey Gizmo Orochi. Put him in. Let's go like this. I really cannot see if that's in defense or not. We're going to hologram size to 0. Alright. Stormberg. I had no outs for Stormberg. Hextrude. He was gonna pop the Imperm. Solemn Strike, Hextrude. Eater of Millions. And then Gizmek was gonna pop. Might as well. It's 0 attack. Oh. Barrage. Special Thoroughblade. Thoroughblade's effect, discard Zodiac, draw a card. Kit. Faragete. Kit. Dump. Fractal. Like, look at my. I had 3 Nervals in there. Desires. 10 key. Should have probably Desires first. Check out the. And I just surrendered. But I came back. Round 2. Do it. Fractal. Kit. Dump Nerval. Add Karis. Normal summon Karis. Did not special summon. Banish those 2 for Faragete. Special summon. Ratpier. Properly linked summon Bearbrum. Faragete. Draw and put back. Properly linked summon for Rugal. Bearbrum. Add Revolt and put back. Set them all. And my turn. Just gonna draw. Just gonna even the match. I went to battle phase after battle. Solemn Judge. Do like the hand. Dimensional Fissure. Imperial Order. They all got hand gestures. Look at that. Revolt. Jeez, what happened there? It was Kit, Karis, or no, Kit, Nerval. Bearbrum. And then Shureg. I should have waited. I should have waited. And then it just surrendered. Let's duel wins. Round 3. He goes first. Gilf. Stormberg. I sided in a bunch of 3 twin twisters, 3 lightning storms. Stormberg, extrude, sets 2. Right on draw phase, I shotgun twin twister, dumping Nerval for those 2. And then I chained it with twin droplet. Ooh, we did have a droplet. Nerval. And let's duel wins, finally. He doesn't have a deck, unfortunately. Let's go online, check. We were at silver before. Where we're at now? Where are we? 1491, 1511, back to silver. We were at 186, 188, went up by 2 after 2 losses and one win. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.